If you need to remove any background music or background noise from your video clip in CapCut, you can easily do using very simple ways. So let's see how we can do this thing. This is one of my clip which I recorded like couple of days before, and here we are seeing that this has some background noise. Okay, so I want to remove this noise and I want to replace with some music. This is my music file, I want to add it, but here the problem is it has some music in this video. When I recorded, actually this music, this is the background noise, it is recorded. So what we need to do, we just need to import, and after importing we just need to select the clip, and once we select the clip, on the right side we'll find video, audio and so many things. As we need to remove the voice or music or background noise, everything from this clip, we just need to come to the audio section, and then from here we have to change this volume. There is a volume, we can make it 0 and it will be removed completely. Now check carefully, here there is no voice, right? There is no audio. Now if we slide this thing to the further right at the corner of this bar, we'll see there is some lines are coming. So these are the audios. Okay, so when we put it like that, it will create some sound. Okay, so this is the background sound, and if we put it over there, there is no sound. And that's it. In this way we can easily remove music or background noise or background voice from a video in CapCut.